Good morning, children. Now this is the 8th class social studies. We are in this lesson. We already completed in this lesson many points. Now, what is that lesson name? 11th lesson B. National Movement. The last page. 1919 to 1947. 1919 to 1947. Students, here listen. Between these, a great war occurred in the world. What was that war? Second World War. Do you know the Second World War period? 1939 to 1945. This is the period of Second World War. Who participated in this Second World War? Who was the responsible person or who was the responsible country? Okay, so what was the immediate cause of the Second World War? So here listen, mainly two countries are responsible. First one here, Germany. Germany was the main country. Germany and also Italy, Japan. Germany, Italy, Japan. These three countries formed as group. This is called Axis power. This is called Axis power. Next one, opposite is Allied powers. Axis powers, Allied powers. Here Allied powers, what are the main countries? France, USA, USSR, England, China, etc. countries. So these five countries joined as allied countries. Next to these three countries, Germany, Italy, and Japan. These three countries formed as Axis powers. Okay. The immediate cause of Second World War is Germany. That means Hitler, who was here main leader, Hitler. So he attacked on Poland. So we will write here Poland also. So he attacked on Poland. When he attacked on Poland to surrender the Danzig port, immediately Poland informed to Russia, France, etc. So these all countries came together and fought against Germany. When Germany ready to fight, these two countries also joined with Germany. What are that country? Japan and Italy. Students, here in the world, two countries have national pride. Two countries have national pride. That what is the meaning? Our country is the greatest country in the world. Our people, our race is the great race in the world. So the two countries are Germany, first one, second one Italy. These people thought their people are greatest people in the world. They have the ability to conquer the whole world. Okay, so actually these two countries are European countries. So actually European countries already established their colonies in Asian and also African countries. So they plundering Asian countries and all African countries. So that is why, for example, England. So England occupied our country. It ruled 200 years ago. It plundered our wealth, national wealth. Okay, they took away our wealth to England. So now when these countries occupying Asian countries and African countries, so Germany, the leader Hitler, so Hitler also encouraged the two nation people with the help of his party, Nazi party. Next one, Italy. So here Italy, the leader is Mussolini. What is his name? Mussolini. So Mussolini party is fascism. Fascism is his party. So with the help of these parties, these two leaders encouraged that all people who belongs to their Germany and also Italy, so they ready to fight with these allied power groups. So initially these people started getting winning, but finally these people got victory over these countries. What are that countries? Germany, Japan and Italy. So this is the Second World War time. Okay, what was the period? Second World War time period 1939 to 1945. That means we are in these Second World War occurred between these years. Between these years. So that is why we are discussing about Second World War. Okay. So when these countries fought against these countries, in their countries they faced tremendous loss. So many people, crores of people died and millions of people wounded. So their property also destroyed due to the warfare. Due to the warfare. So that is why England unable to control what are that colonies established by England in Asia continent and also Africa continent countries. Okay, so that is next one. In this time, in our country, our people are refusing their British rule. Okay, so in this way, our leaders started hackathons, rallies. Okay, next questioning the Britishers, etc. So when our people are doing these all activities, some people are doing terrorist activities, militant activities. So our Indian people started to kill the British officials. Okay, so these all situations are controlling is very difficult to the British government. That means England government. So that is why in our country 1942 Quit India movement started. What was that movement? Quit India movement. So in this movement Gandhi was said to our Indian people do or die. Do means we must do. What is that word? We must terminate the British government from our country. Quit means to terminate from our country. The second one is die. If you do not do, that means if you do not terminate the Britishers from our country, we will ready to die. So that is the slogan famous at the time of Quit India movement by Mahatma Gandhi. So when Mahatma Gandhi said to this word, people took this strongly and they started fighting with British government. So British government killed many people, our country people. So they imprisoned many people. That means 90,000 above people arrested many parts of our country, especially cities areas. So even the rural people also they inspired by the movement. So they also started revolt against the Britishers. So in this way, many our Indian leaders arrested by Britishers. So we know Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi. So many leaders are arrested. Next one, Subhash Chandra Bose. So Subhash Chandra Bose, actually Subhash Chandra Bose ideology is militant activity. That means terrorist activity, radical approach. Okay. So Subhash Chandra Bose joined in INA. INA means Indian National Army. INA means Indian National Army. And also he started Azad Hind Fauj at Singapore. Azad Hind Fauj at Singapore. When March 18th, 1944, independence of India. So he declared himself, we got independence on 18th March 1944. Next he started Delhi Chalo or Chalo Delhi. Okay, so these two are very important, launched by Subhash Chandra Bose. Okay, but what happened? He joined this group at the time of Second World War. So Japan, Germany, Italy group. Okay, but at the time who are ruling our country? England is ruling our country. Okay, so England, he thought England was our enemy. So that is why he went and joined with and negotiated with Germany leader and also Japan and Italy leaders. But what happened at initial time? These people got victory over these people. That means these countries. So that is why he also thought we would get independence with the help of Germany. That means Axis powers group. But in our Indian leaders, except Subhash Chandra Bose, they are supporting England and these allied power groups. For example, Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi. Why? Because we know the ideology of Mahatma Gandhi, non-violence. Okay, Satyagraha. That is his weapons. So that's why he did not accept to join Axis power group. So that is why. So, but Subhash Chandra Bose did not accept the proposal of Gandhi. So he took the militant activities. Okay. So, but what happened the last at the time of last stage of Second World War? So these countries are getting lost, and these countries are getting victory. So that is why people. This man was announced. This man was announced. Okay, students. Now. Subhash Chandra Bose. So he joined in INA. INA means Indian National Army. Okay, Indian National Army. But he started Azad Hind Fauj, Independent India. Okay, at Singapore on 18th March 1944. So actually he asked the help of Axis power groups. That means Japan, Germany, and Italy. Okay. So, but it is not accepted by our remaining leaders such as Mahatma Gandhi, Nehru, etc. So, we know what is the ideology of Mahatma Gandhi. So, non-violence, Satyagraha. So, these are the weapons of Mahatma Gandhi. But his method is not like that. He is doing terrorist activities or militant activities. Okay. So, at initial stage, these countries getting victory over these allied power groups, so France, USSR, USA, England, etc. But what happened at last? These countries are getting lost and these countries are gaining. So that is why, unfortunately, on 23rd of August 1945, he lost his life due to the air crash, but it was suspected. Okay, so that is happening about Subhash Chandra Bose. Next one, 1940, many trade unions, many parties are came. For example, Communist Party, trade unions, Women's Sabhas, next Kisan Sabhas. So these all, for example, Dalit. Okay, they also fighting what their problems facing by themselves. Okay, so these party, for example, we know what is the main aim of Communist Party. Actually, this Communist Party is in Russia. Okay, with this party, the Russian people dethroned the Tsar. Tsar means king of Russia, Nicholas II, the last Tsar. Okay, they announced their country was a communist country. Communist means all are equal. What is the property? It must be belongs to the nation. So the nation will supply what are the needs of the people. So that is the main ideology. But our Indian people also took it is as an advantage. So they inspired the Communist Party, which is following by Russia. Okay. So here the leaders also thought we also took what are the main methods of Communist Party. Next to trade unions, Kisan Sabha. Kisan means farmers. Okay, so what are their grievances? So how the Britishers are laying taxes over farmers? So the farmers were unable to pay the taxes to the concerning British officials. So that's why they are fighting the equality, equal rights. For example, women. So male dominate society. So that's why women are also fighting for right to vote, equality, etc. So these are all happening at the time of 1940s. Okay, next to partition. So what happened to our India? Actually, in India we know Muslims are there, Hindus are there, Christians are there. Okay, many people are there. But when Muslim League started in 1906, okay, after some years it gaining so prominent, so many Muslims encouraged this party, that means Muslim League. So in this way, Muhammad Ali Jinnah is demanding to separate or to create a separate nation for Muslims. Okay. So when he demanding for separate nation from our country, but our Indian leaders are not accepting to bifurcate our country as two nations. So that is why British government are encouraging to the Muslims. They said we are concerning about all people, all sections of the country. So in this way, Muslims are declared one day that is called Direct Action Day. What is that called? Direct Action Day. 16th August 1946, they announced that day was Direct Action Day. So in that day, many people were killed. That means they fought each other. Who? Our Indian people, Muslims and Hindus. Some are supporting. That means Muslims are supporting. Okay, about separate nation. Hindus are supporting. We do not do partition, or we do not do support such type of method. So that is why they quarrel each other. Many people died. Thousands of people died. Okay, in our country. Next one. In this way, Mountbatten came as our viceroy. Mountbatten came as our viceroy. So he partitioned our country as two nations. First one is Pakistan. So that Pakistan announced independence country 14th August 1947, and the next day immediately he announced our country independence, that is called on 15th August 1947. So that means this time our country has bifurcated as two nations, Pakistan and also India. So many people are suffered, many people died, many people replaced from Pakistan to India, from India to Pakistan. So these all are happening at the time of last phase 1990 to 1947. Okay children, thank you.